Hi, my name is James Beal, Managing Partner for NGS Films and Graphics, and in this video, we're going to talk about our solar window film project for the Atlanta International Airport. And what's so special about this project is it's the most experienced window film project in the world. So what do I mean by that? Essentially, there's 250,000 people approximately every day that travel through the Atlanta International Airport, and most of those people at some point are going to travel through or pass through the areas that we filmed 86,000 square feet of solar control window film with 3M's Prestige 40 exterior in concourses A, B, C, and T. So why was NGS called in to install solar control window film on brand new Viracon glazing that was installed as a part of the Atlanta Airport modification contract? Well, in essence, the new design called for extended amounts of glazing on either side, which faced due east and due west of concourses A, B, C, and T. So as a direct result of that, essentially those concourses had increased solar load, which basically meant increased heat gain and increased glare. So the airport called NGS in to help identify a window film that would meet the airport's objectives. Now this is tricky because the airport had a number of boxes they need to check. They wanted to reduce the maximum amount of heat gain while reducing the maximum amount of glare, but not detracting from the views from this beautiful new glazing that they installed. And also, it had to be durable. They wanted it to be installed on the exterior, preferably, so that the travelers, children, and maintenance wouldn't damage the film on the inside. And it also had to be safe for the pilots. It cannot be reflective, thereby causing a problem for the approaching planes. The answer was clear. NGS modeled 3M Prestige 40 exterior and found that it met all of the objectives of the Atlanta Airport while not having some of the issues associated with a traditional metallized window film. For example, the 3M Prestige series is a multi-optical layer film construction with no metals in it, so when we install it on the exterior, it basically will not corrode like a traditional metallized film, and therefore it has a 10-year warranty. Also, as a benefit of it not having metals in its construction, it has no reflection. Therefore, it's safe for the pilots approaching the glass. And another benefit of not having metals in the construction is it's safe for 5G. It's basically future-proof. It will not attenuate the 5G signal. So that's a lot of benefits for that product out of the gate, in addition to the fact that because we're installing it on the exterior, it has substantial heat gain reduction. It is the highest heat gain reduction to visible light transmission ratio of any product in its category. It basically reduced the heat gain by 43% and reduced glare by 54% without detracting from the beautiful views of all of this new glazing. As a result of that, it took the solar heat gain coefficient from a 0.25 down to a 0.14. And essentially, we modeled that it would take approximately 226 tons of CO2 carbon emissions out of the air annually for the airport. And as a direct result of that modeling, we were able to get the airport an energy rebate from the power company. Now we know about the benefits, let's talk a little bit about some of the challenges of working on a project this complex at the busiest airport in the world. Essentially, our crews had to work at night, and we had to work around the Delta ground crews, the airplanes, and all of the cargo traffic that was running around the airport. We had to have our crews drive in series in 40-foot boom lifts, scissor lifts, and scaffolding all around the concourses where we performed the installation. So it took a lot of coordination and a lot of logistical experience to basically manage that manpower and equipment movement around the airport efficiently. We finished all this work throughout the course of 2018, and the airport and Delta are very happy with the results, and we couldn't be happier with how that project turned out and within the time frame that we finished it. So we are proud to say the next time you travel through the Atlanta International Airport, you'll be experiencing our solar window film project with 3M Prestige 40 exterior. Let us know if you have some questions or a project we can assist you with. Contact us at the information below. Don't forget to check out our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.